Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious burrito. To begin, gather your essential ingredients for a fantastic meal. You will need large flour tortillas, approximately 10 inches wide, along with your preferred protein like seasoned ground beef or tender shredded chicken. Don't forget cooked rice, savory black beans, and plenty of shredded cheese. Finally, prepare fresh toppings such as vibrant salsa, creamy sour cream, and rich guacamole to complete your culinary creation. Now, let's focus on crafting the flavorful filling that makes your burrito truly special. First, cook your chosen protein, whether it's ground beef or chicken, until it is fully done and seasoned perfectly with your favorite spices. Next, gently warm your black beans and ensure your cooked rice is steaming hot and fluffy. For an extra layer of taste, consider sautéing some colorful vegetables like bell peppers and onions until they are tender crisp. With your fillings ready, it's time for the expert burrito assembly. First, warm a large flour tortilla for about 15 seconds in a pan or microwave to make it wonderfully pliable. Next, spread a thin, even layer of rice and black beans down the center of the tortilla, leaving space on the edges. Then, add your cooked protein, a generous sprinkle of shredded cheese, and any other desired toppings. Finally, fold in the sides of the tortilla. Then roll it tightly from the bottom up to create a perfect, secure burrito. Congratulations, you've made a fantastic homemade burrito. For the best experience, serve your freshly rolled creation immediately while it's warm and delicious. You can pair it with extra salsa, creamy guacamole, or a side of crispy tortilla chips. Don't hesitate to experiment with different proteins, such as savory pork carnitas or seasoned tofu, to discover new favorites. Feel free to customize with various cheeses, spicy sauces, or fresh herbs to make each burrito uniquely yours. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.